Forum Summit is going to be held in May in 28th of May to 31st of May. And India Africa Forum Summit, it is a fourth consecutive summit, and this summit is so impactful, going to be so impactful and so important because there is Middle East conflict of rising prices of the material goods, which is rare in other country like oil, gases and urea. But when the political geopolitical instability is occurring, but Africa is our like a reliable partner. And so the importance of IAF in IAFSM, it means India Africa Forum Summit fourth is become so important, as in India Africa historical past is also sometimes commons, like a colonial government is in India and in Africa also. But uh, there are many importance, there are many things which are going to be held in India Africa Forum Summit, and the main challenges in it are like the partnership. Yes, the private public partnership, public private partnerships and private investment is so less, so there need to be discussion of these things and many other things like when we talk about IAFSM and its challenges, and which is to be discussed, is the first is private partnership, and there is instability in many parts of the Africa also. So the for reduce the instability, or to how to manage it, it needs to be discussed. And the third thing, it can be like there is what and the third things, it can be the implementation gap, as India and we all know there is implementation gap at the grassroots level. So the implementation gap, the delivery between what the policies is making and what is to be delivered, there should be the minimum gap between it. And we all know the competitor our competitor are not merely another country, but USA, China, UK. So we have to compete with it and just collaborate with the Africa and get to the in the main field, get to the take the space and just rocket